Electricity begins its journey at a power plant. Here, various energy sources like coal, natural gas, water, or sunlight are converted into electrical energy. This energy is generated at a specific voltage level. To travel long distances efficiently, the voltage is significantly increased using transformers. This high-voltage electricity then travels across the country through large transmission lines, often supported by tall towers. These lines form the backbone of the power grid. Before reaching your neighborhood, the electricity arrives at a substation. Here, transformers step the voltage back down to a lower level. This makes it safer and more manageable for local distribution. From the substation, electricity travels through smaller distribution lines. These lines run along streets, either on utility poles or underground. They carry the power closer to homes and businesses. Finally, a local transformer, often on a pole or a pad-mount box, steps the voltage down one last time. This is the voltage your home appliances use. The electricity then enters your house through a service drop or lateral, passes through a meter, and into your breaker panel, ready to power your life.